Puro basura pinasok mo sa mata mo. TikTok na kung anong-ano. Beep, 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 beep. Isang araw. Anong word ni Lord? Hindi ka nagbabasa ng Bible. Kaya pag may problema, walang mahugot na salita ng Diyos. A crisis of belief. You know what crisis of belief? What you're believing in your heart is different from what you're seeing in your eyes. Naniniwala kang gagaling yung anak mo, pero bakit sabi ng doktor malala? Sabi mo, Lord, children a reward from you. Bakit parang kukunin mo? So in the middle, there's crisis of belief. Sabi mo, Lord, lalaki negosyo. Ba't nawala lahat ng kliyente? And now you have this crisis. You want to believe, pero what you're seeing in your eyes is different from what you're believing in your heart. Anybody here can relate to that? Sabi mo, Lord, mangyayari to, pero kabaliktaran yung nangyayari. So it's okay to question God. The book of Psalms, ang daming question ni David. Lord, bakit yung mga kaaway ko ang lulusog, ang sasaya, ang yayaman? Sila pang mayayabang ang yumayaman. So an honest cry of a man holding on divine promise against human impossibility. He doesn't deny God's promise. He asks, Lord, paano magmamaterialize to? Given my biological and social realities, paano mangyayari to? Ang mangyayari lang, Lord, actually, yung servant ko ang makikinabang sa lahat ng ari-arian ko. Ano mo maganda kay Lord? When we doubt, when we fear, He always comes. Then the word of the Lord came to him. Ang sarap lang, yung parang hindi kanya hayaang nag-iisa. Ang problema lang natin, we're not reading the Bible. Kaya, wala. Puro ka TikTok ng kung ano-anong mga AI. Puro ka pagbabasa ng mga walang kwentang mga Chinese telenovela na ang tagal matapos, na putol-putol, di ba? Kaya pag may problema, walang mahugot na salita ng Diyos. Then the word of the Lord came to him. Anong word ni Lord? Hindi ka nagbabasa ng Bible. Pag wala kang dineposit, wala kang mawi-withdraw. As basic, garbage in, garbage out. Puro basura pinasok mo sa mata mo. TikTok na kung anong-ano. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep ang alam. Isang araw. Kaya yan, nung problema sa anak, beep, 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 beep. Sometimes God wants to change the way we view things. Our limited capacity to comprehend. Ang liit mo kasing mag-isip. Hanggang doon ka lang sa tent. Kaya wala kang makita. Sometimes God had to take us out. Halika rito. Tingnan mo yung stars. Behavioral science suggests that visual anchors help regulate anxiety. By telling Abraham to go out, count the stars, God provided a sensory stimulus to override yung brain ni Abraham na merong amygdala hijack na tinatawag caused by fear. Hindi na ako makapag-isip, mamamatay ako. Yung katulong ko lang makikinabang. Yung asawa ko baog, I'm 85. Yung asawa ko 75. Sabi niya, uy, halika ka, lupas ka. Tingnan mo yung stars. O ano God? Yan magiging anak mo. Kung kaya mong bilangan yan, mabibilang mo yung mga anak mo. Some of you here today, you need to go outside of your tent and see how big this God is. Masyado tayong limited. Hindi ako nakapagtapos ng college eh. Hindi ako naman nakapag-aral eh. Ahente lang ako eh. Ito lang alam ko eh. Lord, hindi ko kaya. Pag nawala to, Lord, sabi ni Lord, ha? Kinakahon mo ba ako, anak? Yung bang capacity ko, hanggang capacity lang ng brain mo? God is telling you, lumabas ka. Tingnan mo yan, anak. Hindi mo kaya mabilang. Abraham believed the Lord.